Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Paul. I'm part of the sales team here. You can reach us on 01476 560 599. Thank you very much for your continued interest on this Lunar Ultima 462 2012 two-berth caravan, which I have pleasure in presenting to you now, and I hope it's of further interest to you. So the Ultima is a special edition caravan, so it will come with a few extra goodies over and above the standard base model. So you've got things like ATC, which is the automatic trailer control anti-snaking device. It's got an AKS stabilizer for a smoother towing experience. Chrome grab handles. Central gas locker, which will house two 6 kg gas bottles comfortably with extra storage space. You have a barbecue point and a side access wet locker box, which also incorporates a 240 volt electric point. Nice alloy wheels. One piece back panel, which also incorporates the chrome grab handles. Heavy duty corner steadies. And a one piece aluminium side panel. Just before I step inside the van, it's worth pointing out there's this little cupboard here, which is a great place to store your shoes. So when you come in after a day out, you don't have to leave them outside in the awning or on the doormat. So coming into the kitchen area, well presented, combination oven, grill with 3 gas ring burners and electric hot plate, pan drawer at the bottom, Thetford fridge freezer in a brushed aluminium effect, plenty of work surface there for your preparation on your kitchen top, additional storage underneath, microwave situated at a nice height inset, and additional storage above. Nice, modern, quirky interior design, which has contrasting curtains and tie backs. Lots of storage in this van. Again, not having a sunroof at the front, it benefits from the additional 2 large lockers. They're finished in a light wood with a silver detail and silver furniture handles. Nice large Hecky roof light, lets in plenty of light. Four chrome directional downlighters. The occasional table and chest in the centre, and of course this area at the front, you can either use it as 2 single beds in the evening, or it will make up into a nice sized double. Low air heating in this caravan, and you've got the TV point should you wish to have the TV situated at the front. And then just moving around to the sideboard, you've got an additional TV point, so you can use this flat surface to position TV if you want to watch it from that particular direction. Has a beautiful vanity mirror, which does create the feeling of more space inside the caravan, and further overhead locker. Another Hecky light for the kitchen area, and then you've got this space-saving sliding door. As we walk into the washroom, electric push-button toilet, nice size wash basin with further storage below, and above that you have a vanity mirror with additional shelving, and then this really spacious shower with hanging rail, nice chrome and acrylic shelf details, and it's you have another wardrobe on either side of the entrance, so obviously a place to also get changed in as well. Just show you the additional control panel as well as the heating there. Well, I hope that is a good insight into the Ultima 462. It's available now. If you would like to give any of the sales team a call on 01476 560 599, we'd be more than happy to help assist you in any way we can.